market for a 5-bedroom home in the beautiful city of Hoover, Alabama, I've got the perfect home for you. This is the Roswell B floor plan in the lovely neighborhood of Bradbury. And Bradbury is a sub-community of Blackridge, which is also part of Lake Wilburn, located in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. And you can see all the beautiful amenities that this lovely home has. The master bedroom is on the main level. It has lighter colored hardwood floors. The master bathrooms, built by Signature Homes, are just exquisite with a beautiful soaking tub. The closet is to die for. You can't have enough space. And I love the towers aside the bathroom sink for your linens. This floor plan also has a second bedroom on the main level, which is perfect for a nursery, or perhaps you have an older adult in your family that needs main level living, and it has its own private bathroom with a custom tile, the beautiful accent tile flooring. It's just a great floor plan to have 2 bedrooms on the main level. One of the things I really like about this floor plan is just the open concept living. So as you go down the hallway in this floor plan, you'll see it's kind of a long hallway, and most of the living space is at the back. So you have a half bath, you have the laundry room, and then this opens up to this beautiful area with the floor to ceiling windows that let in all the natural light. And you can see the living space is open to the kitchen and the eating space. There's ample cabinetry, there's a separate walk-in pantry. You have a beautiful accent tile backsplash, the big farm sink, and everything that a cook could want. And then you have this dining space. So most of the homes nowadays have a single dining space. So you can go casual or you can go more elegant depending on your style. And then the back patio has a covered space. It has loads of privacy. You back up to the woods in this particular floor plan, but it's nice to have this outdoor living space, especially with the weather we have in Hoover, Alabama. You certainly want to be able to take advantage of that. And then upstairs in this floor plan, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. So there is tremendous space. I love the open, airy feeling of this staircase with a wrought iron accents. And this floor plan has a beautiful living area upstairs, whether you need an office or another family den. You've got all kinds of space, a big double closet to store things in. And then you have 2 bedrooms that share a bath. And both of these bedrooms are about the same size. You have a full-size bathroom with all the usual amenities, a nice double-wide vanity, since this is a shared bathroom. And then each of the bedrooms has a nice size closet, has great windows. You'll notice the neutral colors of the paint. Of course, if you're building this floor plan, this Roswell 1B, you would have the opportunity to pick out your own color paint, tile accents, all of those things that come when you're building a custom home with Signature Homes. The second bedroom is just down the hall. It's about the same size, just enough space, nice size closet, everything that you're looking for. But what I really like about this particular floor plan is it has a separate suite that is on the opposite side of this upstairs area. There's actually a door that separates it from the rest of the house, has a massive walk-in closet, a nice size bedroom, and then there's still another bathroom, and this is a private bath. So this is very much a guest suite. Maybe you have an older child that likes their own space. Whatever your family needs are, the space is just perfect in every way. So the Roswell 1B again has 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms on the main level, lots of extra living space, and it's located in Hoover, Alabama, in the community of Bradbury at the back of Blackridge.